Hey, Sammy. Don't move around so much. Where are you going? Silly boy. Hi, how are ya? How are you? Oops. What a good boy you are. What a good boy you are. Hi, Sam. Can you move? Yeah. What a good boy. Mom, call him. Oh, there. Mom, call him to you. Call him.
Sammy, Sammy. Oh, come here. Aren't you a pretty dog? Oh, so pretty, yeah. So
Hey,
pretty.
Sam. Sammy gets along with other dogs. Yes, he does. He loves children. He loves people. He loves men. He's such a good boy, aren't ya? You a good boy? I think you are. I think you are.
You're a good little
Thank you,
dog.
Sam.
Yes, you are.
Thank you, Sam.
Such a good little puppy.
Thank you, Sam. Yeah, good boy.